What's up, everybody? It's your boy Sat coming to you with today's stock pick, indicator help, and general investment tips. Remember, this channel is all about no face, just facts in 5. I do the research so you don't have to. Today we're talking about QTUM, the Defiance Quantum ETF. If you've been watching the market lately, you've seen quantum computing stocks making huge moves. Names like IonQ, Rigetti, D-Wave, and other advanced computing companies have attracted investors looking for the next big technological breakthrough. The challenge is that these stocks can be extremely volatile. One headline can send them soaring and another can send them crashing. That's where QTUM comes in. Instead of trying to pick the one company that eventually wins the quantum race, QTUM gives investors exposure to an entire basket of companies involved in quantum computing, artificial intelligence, machine learning, semiconductors, cloud infrastructure, and advanced computing technologies. And the results over the last year have been impressive. According to the chart, QTUM is up more than 82% over the past 12 months. For an ETF, that's a massive gain and a sign that investors are pouring money into next generation technology. Now let's break down the chart. The first thing I notice is a strong long-term uptrend. The ETF has consistently made higher highs and higher lows throughout the year, which is one of the clearest signs of bullish momentum. We can also see that QTUM spent several months consolidating. Rather than continuing straight up, the ETF paused, moved sideways, and allowed buyers and sellers to establish a new base. Healthy stocks and ETFs often do this because it allows momentum to reset before the next move higher. Recently, buyers have stepped back in aggressively. The chart shows multiple strong green candles pushing QTUM toward fresh yearly highs. That's important because breakouts near highs often attract additional attention from traders and institutions looking for momentum plays. Volume has also increased during the recent move higher. Rising prices combined with rising volume is typically considered a bullish signal because it shows conviction behind the move. From a support perspective, the area around $145 to $150 appears to be important. That's where buyers repeatedly stepped in during recent pullbacks. As long as the ETF remains above that region, the overall trend remains intact. On the upside, QTUM is entering territory near its recent highs. If momentum continues, many traders will likely watch the $170 level as the next psychological target. Now let's talk about why investors might choose QTUM instead of individual quantum stocks. The biggest advantage is diversification. If you buy a single quantum company, your success depends entirely on that company executing its business plan. If management misses expectations, raises capital, or encounters delays, the stock can suffer significantly. With QTUM, you're investing in an entire theme rather than one company. You gain exposure to multiple businesses working on technologies that could transform industries like healthcare, cybersecurity, logistics, artificial intelligence, and finance. That doesn't eliminate risk, but it can reduce company-specific risk. The bull case for QTUM is straightforward. Quantum computing remains one of the most exciting long-term technology opportunities in the market. As research advances and commercial applications grow, companies within the ETF could benefit from increased investment and adoption. The bear case is that quantum computing is still an emerging industry. Many companies are not yet generating significant profits from quantum technologies, and development timelines could take longer than investors expect. Still, the market appears willing to pay for future potential, and right now, the chart suggests buyers remain in control. So here's the question. Would you rather try to pick the next quantum computing superstar or own an ETF that gives you exposure to the entire sector? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear whether you're investing in individual quantum stocks or taking the ETF approach with QTUM. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy who loves stocks and helping people win at this stock game. Do your own research, manage your own risk, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below of some stocks you'd like to see. This is Sat from Stocks by Sat '06, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.